Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. Eureka, I've done it finally. I've had this microwave sitting on the floor of the apartment for about 2 or 3 months as it fizzled out on me. And I finally got around to taking it apart. Move that out of the way, sorry. Well, we got our fan. Nice little pile of copper here. Take that out. We got the magnetron. You don't want to take these apart, but there is a little bit of brass there I'll try to get out. You've got your transformer. I threw this on the scale. It weighs between 3 and 4 pounds. Pretty huge and heavy. And there's a lot of copper right there. Got your capacitor. Throw it down with the thread. A little circuit board with some more beautiful copper. There's your turntable motor. Throw it down with the thread. The light bulb. Piece of plastic. This is plastic here, except for these switches, which I may break off these little ends there. Throw it down in with the metal pile. There's the metal pile. Yes, I have lots of screws loose. Screws loose. The door, which is, you got your plastic front, the metal frame, so it weighs a couple pounds. Piece of plastic here, door frame. You got your cover, your control covers, another little circuit board, another little transformer right there, and a crystal oscillator right there. I'll take those little guys off. And if I remember correctly from the good old days, this black box right there is copper inside. Matter of fact, hold on. Just had to reach for my pliers. Little foot. Over there real quick. I did all the scrapping today. It didn't take very long. I did it without the use of a hammer. Now I might need the hammer. Let's see here. Don't know if you can see inside. Yep, a little bit of copper in there. Hey, hit me in the eye. No, hold still. Is that third hand one I need? Third foot. I got the foot. Oh well, I'll try to get that apart, but I don't know if you can see it in there. There's copper inside of that, and I usually do take this apart. Just a little plastic box. I used to bash it with a hammer, and there's a little spool that sticks up with the copper wire wrapped around it. It comes off pretty easily. We've got the wire, insulated wire harness here. We've got the inside metal frame and the outside cover. And the scrap cat. Ellie. But there's the tools. I never did find the Torx bits that I needed, which caused me to do my last video with the baseball cards. But I found something else which sufficed. So I guess it didn't take very long to get this done. Probably about a half hour, 45 minutes. So, got it out of the way. Got it off the floor. Got more copper I see in there. What's this? A little spool. It was hiding from me before. That means there might be something in there. And there might be something in there. But I wanted to check in again. The microwave is done. Kaput. Gone. And it was a Sunbeam. Don't know if you can see it or not. So everything I've ever owned from Sunbeam has been cheap. Including the old snowblower that we bought 4 years ago. 40 years ago. When we lived in Chicago. Then we moved to Florida. So we didn't have to take the snowblower with us. But that's all for now. Another project done. Ready for the scrapyard. Keep hoarding. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Kappa.